Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is January 2nd, 2024, Tuesday. Option expiry for FinNifty. Yesterday we didn't put our videos because it was Jan 1st and we had put our videos a day for yesterday, and also on Sunday, global markets, how the global market performed we put. I am sure most of you would have seen that. And yesterday, my humble request is that please see the video till the end. Okay, I am seeing people are seeing only just first few minutes or something. First 2 minutes we talk about our company. That is obviously I have to talk about my company. Who else will talk? Right, that is the thing. So we'll go into today's discussion, which is why there were no levels given by us for FinNifty, but nevertheless we'll give our levels. FinNifty 21,346.15, 0.52% down today. BankNifty 47,761.65, 0.98% down. Nifty down 0.35%, 21,665.80. So FinNifty formed a spinning top, while BankNifty formed a solid red candle, while Nifty formed a slightly bigger red candle, but with a long lower leg. So long lower leg always implies that there is some buying pressure at the bottom. That is what it is. So however, FinNifty and BankNifty both, it at one point in time touched the Bollinger Middle Band. It just touched the middle band, but then managed to bounce. So the below which the exponential moving average is there, it never went there. In fact, BankNifty didn't go there, but it got support here. But whether this will hold tomorrow, we don't know. We have to wait and see. Okay, but what is happening? If you recollect, first week of December videos, one can see, once it goes such a massive up moves, then there will be some pullback that is coming in. The bands will start coming together. Now the upper band and the lower band are coming in a narrow range. It's coming like this. It's coming like this. Slowly it will go in parallel. That is where the breakout will happen. But you can't say that. If global markets are performing well tonight, then probably you can have a good up move or down move. Either ways it is possible depending on how it goes. But normally what happens from here on, the bands will go in parallel, all the three bands. From there it will take a big bounce. That is what it is, right? So BankNifty, Nifty took key support at the Bollinger Middle Band, below which is the exponential moving average, is the 20-day exponential moving average. Okay, these two are very, very important technical levels. Of course, who are interested can see my videos. That is where we have covered many of these things, educational videos. With that, let's go into today's discussion. Banks, Bandhan Bank, Indus Bank fell 1%. AU, ICICI, IDFC, Kotak Bank fell 2%. Federal Bank fell 3%. Yes Bank up 2%. So this year, it is going to be this year. I am not saying this year. Yes Bank is technically looking good in the yearly chart. So anyway, we are going to put around January 15 time frame where we'll be telling about technically stocks that are looking good and technically that are looking weak without any price recommendations. So one can watch that. Wait till another 10 days or so. On the financials, IDFC, L&T Finance, LIC Housing Finance, Manappuram, Muthoot Shriram 1% down, Bajaj Finserv 1% up. Insurance and cards, LIC 2% down, ICICI General 1% down. Oil and telecom, Bharti and Reliance 1% up. In the IT, Apple, HCL Tech, Infi, Intellect, LTTS, LTCS, Techem 1% down. Birlasoft, Coforge, LTIM, Emphasis, Wipro 2% down. Consumer goods, Britannia, Nestle, HUL 1% down. Colpal, DMart, Page, Pidilite, Titan 1% up. On the automobiles, you see IT stocks fell today. That is why you are having such a this one, what you call some fall over there. But overall Nifty, for Nifty to fall, you need bigger downfall in many other stocks. That didn't happen, which is why you had some bank Nifty components falling because HDFC did not fall. Other banks fell. But that is not constituting major weight in Nifty. That's why you are seeing such a divergence. One might, people should ask questions, put comments in the videos, ask these questions, right? Automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Hero Motors, Maruti, Motors and Tata Motors 1% down. Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motor, Escorts and M&M 3% down. Metals, JSW and SAIL 1% down. Hindalco 1% up, 2% up, National Aluminium 3% up, coal and NMDC. On the health and pharma, Thyrocare 1% up, Cipla, Dr. Reddy 2% up, Divi's, Lalpath and Metro and Sun Pharma 3% up. In the others category, 1% down, DLF, APL, IndiaMart, IRCTC, Jubilant Food and Nykaa, 2%, L&T, Indigo, Polycab, Ultratech 2% down. Godrej and Havells 1% up, Zomato 3% up. With all these things, what do we expect for option expiry tomorrow? Simple. Bollinger lower band on the downward side, that will act as a very good support. If that is broken, yes, only during trading time one can see what level it will go, but I don't think Bollinger lower band will be broken down because first is the 20-day exponential moving average, Bollinger Middle Band, below which is 20-day exponential moving average, below which is the Bollinger lower band. That is, Bollinger lower band is somewhere around 46,691. On the upward side, it is the Bollinger upper band on the daily chart, which is at or probably the all-time high, which is 48,636 level. That should hold at least for tomorrow. Probably we will see how tomorrow, but I don't expect tomorrow another fall. In fact, there will be I will not be surprised if there is a short covering rally, but anyway we have to see. Each day is different because these kind of candle movements very difficult because it has held this level. If tonight overnight global markets or some Middle East tension happens and there are some negative news, it can gap down below the Bollinger Middle Band. If that happens, then the lower band will hold. If it is above that, it is holding it, then probably that also should hold. Anyway, we'll discuss tomorrow, but these are the two levels which we are very comfortable with. Thank you very much.